Hey guys, welcome back to Saf's Glam Beauty. You guys, I am here trying to get as many melt and pour soap video to y'all as I possibly can, okay? I don't know if y'all will like it, but I just want to bring as many as I can just to see. Maybe you guys will fall in love with it. So for today, I'm gonna be using this beautiful rose petals, the rose mold, and I'm gonna be using some honey, some coconut oil, some glycerin, okay? And for coloring, I'm gonna be using this bright neon pink. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make two colors today, the pink and white. That's what I'm trying to make, okay? So hopefully you enjoy this video and wanna see more. So yes, let's do this. So for a start, you already know how we get down. I'm gonna start off with this white base. You already know the drill. I also have my heat safe container here. Yep, I do have that. So for this portion of the soap, that's what I'm gonna be using for the white. So I'm just chopping it all in little pieces like usual. I'm gonna be putting it in my little heat safe container and I'm going to pop it in the microwave and I'll be right back. I actually wanted to like make this portion like really white, but I don't think it's necessary. We have to work as fast as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some fragrance oil in here. I'm using some rose quartz fragrance oil. Put in this mesh, put this aside, grab another pipette, and just put this here, okay? So this is what I'm trying to do. Okay, I'm gonna put white, like so. I just want to tap. Okay, I just want the rose part to just have, and when it dries up, it looks so good. That's my whole plan. Yep. This is my mold. It looks so gorgeous. I just hope it comes out like I want it to. So I'm gonna put this aside. I'm already done cutting up my soap. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for, I don't know how many minutes, but every 30 seconds, I'm gonna check it, okay? I melted this soap for like 1 minute. And see how much chunks still in here. It's a lot of chunks, okay? So I'm gonna pop it right back and I'll be back when it's all melted. Okay, everything is finally melted. Everything looks good. So, I'm gonna be adding my honey. I'm gonna add my honey, also my coconut oil. I don't wanna waste no time. And my glycerin. Okay. And then I'm just gonna cut off a little bit of my coloring, like so, just a tiny bit. And I'll put it in here just so it can melt with the hot soaps, okay? So now, ooh, you guys, I wonder if it's gonna give me that rosy color that I want. Hopefully. Oh yeah. It's changing, right? Gives me that baby pink. Baby pink. I think, oh, I still have a little bit more in here. It's melting. I think I'm gonna turn a little bit dark. A little bit. I'm just happy that it's not getting cold so fast. So yeah, that's exciting. I'm just praying, finger crossed, that this the flower design that I did, it comes out good. It's still a baby pink. I think I like it like this. Let me pour some fragrance oil in here while I'm stirring the color. Both of them can be mixing together. So beautiful pink, like, oh man. Okay, it's still hot though. Let's get some temperature test, okay? 129. I'm looking at 120 or 125 to pour this. I'm actually tempted to put something else. I just feel it's too plain, but simple is best sometimes. So let me just leave it as is. Okay, so now everything have incorporated. It's time to pour, okay? So I'm gonna put this aside first, and I'm gonna get my rubbing alcohol. Oh my God, you guys, I just pray and hope that it comes out the way in which it looks. I will be so happy, so happy. All right. Let's mix for the last time, like so. All right, it's time to pour. I am digging it. Let's put some rubbing alcohol on it and clear off all that bubbles. Yup. You already know the drill. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours and I'll be right back, okay? I can't wait to unmold this. I just wanna see the magic. Like, I just want to see what the magic gonna be, because The white that I have underneath this looks amazing. So, are you excited to see this reveal? Like, I'm pumped, okay? Normally I would stretch it like so, just to release it small, and I am so happy. Like, this is the most satisfying part. Like, when I'm pouring it, it's like, see my satisfaction, but when I take it out and see the detailings, it makes me like, I can't even say. So let's start from right here and see. Please. Are you ready? OMG! Is this for real? Are you serious right now? Oh my God! Oh! Hold on, guys. Let me just take a deep breath. I did it, okay? I did it! I did it! You guys, look here! Oh my God! You guys look right here! Hands down, baby. This is a bomb. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, the detailings. Like, when I did this, I thought I messed up, but I actually did pretty good. You guys. One of them here, I didn't even do the white. I just put a little bit and realized I wasn't gonna have enough soap to pour in the more, so I just left it. But I got 5 beautiful roses. Are you kidding me? Oh man. Oh my God, it still came out good. If I knew I was just gonna do the middle part and just leave this, but duh, this is the best. Like, what? Did I do this? Please. I am so shocked. Let me smell it. The best for your buck. Best bang for your buck. Can we have a moment of silence? Look here, is this for real? They are so lovely. Oh man. We did it again. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate y'all. I just want you to know that I see each and every one of you subscribing every day. What did I do to deserve it? Thank you. God bless you so much. And until next time, we will be talking in the next video. Peace out. And I love you.